Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Sanjaya. I am in the 6th grade at SD Nurul Iman, Purwantoro. Today, let me talk about teacher. Do you know that teacher is formed from letters T, E, A, C, H, E, R. Let's try to define each letter. So first of all, we have T. T is for therapy. Do you know guys that our teachers are same with us? They have tired, they have emotions, and they also have problems too. But they can control their emotions, so they can teach us lesson calmly. They also make sure that we receive lesson well. So they are terrific, right? That is the first letter. Let's go to the second letter. And the second letter is E. E is for energetic. In any condition, whether it is hot season or it's raining, our teachers are struggle to come to the school, meet us with enthusiasm. So they are very energetic. It's the second letter. And the third letter is A. A is for awesome. Our teachers are very awesome, you know. Before entering the class, they have prepared all materials that will be taught to us. They also look for strategies and tricks so that we can be interested in a lesson. And it's the third letter. Let's move on to the fourth letter. And the fourth letter is C. C is for cheerful. Let's remember, when we came to school, our teachers would smile and welcome us warmly. They always have cheerful face in front of us. It's their effort to provide positive vibes for the students. It's the fourth letter. Let's go to the fifth letters. And the fifth letter is H. H is for hard worker. No need further explanation, teacher is a hard worker. I believe that you will agree with me, right? Behind the seemingly easy work, it turns out that actually teachers are difficult jobs, and it's only suitable for hard workers. It's the fifth letter. And now let's go to the sixth letter. And the sixth letter is E. E is for excellent. Teachers are known as heroes because they never tire to teach their knowledge to educate nation's children, and it belongs to us. And for the seventh and the last letter, it's R. R is for remarkable. They have chosen themselves to be dedicated in the world of education, giving almost half of its time to educate us. They are always full of hope that in the future we will become a good and successful people. And happy Teachers Day! For all of my teachers, thank you for your dedication to us. We love you so much. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.